5 proven ways for colon cleanse diet. Hi, I'm Sam, and like many of you, I faced some severe colon problems caused due to intake of wrong supplements. My digestion and overall colon's health was getting worse with time. And like you, most of the stuff I've tried didn't really work well for me. But it wasn't until I tried the following tips and small modifications in my lifestyle to improve my colon health and bring me back on track with my overall health. Are you ready for them? Here we go. Tip number 1. Intake more fibers. A high fiber diet helps in improving your overall colon and intestine-related health issues. It happens very often that your daily fiber intake is too low. The easiest way to add fiber to your diet is to eat fiber-rich vegetables and fruits like apples, oranges, raspberries, bananas, pears, corn, cooked artichoke, broccoli and peas. Legumes as well as whole grains are also some of the excellent fiber-rich sources. Fiber helps to aid colon health by keeping your diet regular and preventing constipation. Also, the probability of hemorrhoids development as well as tiny pouches formation in the colon gets reduced, which supports your colon health. Tip number 2. Limit sugar intake. Sugar isn't directly related to the colon problems or issues, but foods having high levels of sugar are generally high in calories, and this leads to weight gain and then obesity. This link in negative impact on your health must be avoided. So try to reduce your consumption of sweets and sugary drinks. Replace it with some healthy choices like veggie sticks and green juices. Tip number 3. Eat the right grains. Whole grains are the foods that include all the needed supplements and naturally generating nutrients. Most of the dietitians suggest that you should intake at least half of daily grains in the form of whole grains, not processed grains. Some whole grains available on the market include quinoa, oatmeal, barley. These grains are very colon friendly and provide your body with necessary minerals, phytochemical vitamins, antioxidants, essential fatty acids and fibers more than their processed grain counterparts like white rice and white flour. Tip number 4. Reduce drinking caffeine. Caffeine is found in coffee, tea and soft drinks that dehydrate the body. That's why avoiding or reducing them is highly recommended. If you want to drink such caffeine-rich drinks, then add an extra equal amount of pure water to what you have consumed. It's very important that you drink enough pure, clean water throughout the day, as only a well-hydrated body can cleanse out wastes and toxins properly. So actively remind yourself during the day to drink at least 8 glasses of water. If you exercise, drink of course more water. Tip number 5. Get enough vitamin D. Vitamin D can help you to maintain a healthy colon and also reduces the risk of colon cancer. You can have a sufficient daily dosage of vitamin D by sitting under the sun for about 15 to 20 minutes. If it isn't feasible due to weather or winter season, you can get an adequate amount of vitamin D from milk, fatty fish, cereal, bread and other vitamin D supplements. These vitamin D supplements help in preventing the risk of osteoporosis by keeping your bones stronger and healthier. There you have it. Work all 5 of those into your daily routine and within a week or 2 you will notice significant changes in your colon health. Now with that said, there are even better strategies to potentially cleanse your entire body, not just your colon, to feel the reduction of symptoms much faster. I put together a 100% free 3-step body cleanse action plan for you to help you with this. So if you want to learn how to systematically cleanse your body, follow the simple 3-step formula in my 100% free guide. This is what worked well for me when pretty much all else failed. So you can get it for free at coloncleansehelper.com. So to get that, just type into your browser URL address bar coloncleansehelper.com. And again, this will show you how to systematically cleanse your body following a simple 3-step formula. Type that in or click the link in the video description below. My name is Sam and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can find any video I release whenever I release them. Share this video with your friends and comment below if you have any questions for me. I'm happy to help. I see you in the next video.